she feeling me cause I'm wheezy, wheezy, wheezy. She feeling me cause I'm wheezy, wheezy, wheezy. She feeling me cause I'm wheezy, yeah, wheezy, wheezy, yeah. She feeling me cause I'm like chocolate to la coco. Make she follow me go, fly away.
So this is a melted hairline lace front wig. It is synthetic. The claims is that the frontal effect hairline requires no plucking. It's a comfort fit from ear to ear contour. And this is from Outre. And the color that I have is DR2 Autumn Brown. Baby hairs are included. Pre-attached wig, pre-attached wide elastic band. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know each time I upload a video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, leave a comment down below. I want to thank all of my returning subscribers as well. Thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. Now, today's video is going to be a short one, you guys. It is on this really cute unit from Outre, or is it Outre? Outre, and it is part of the melted hairline collection, you guys, and it is a synthetic lace front wig, and the lace is supposed to be HD transparent. It comes in a variety of colors, all right, and the color that I got is DR2 Autumn Brown, which is this gorgeous ginger color, you guys. I think this would have been perfect for fall, but I think it's still okay to wear around this time since it's winter time. The style that I got is RIA, R-I-A, and I am feeling this hair, you guys. I'm feeling this collection, okay? I've seen a lot of reviews here and there of the melted hairline collection, and so I had to try it. I had to, you know, see what the hype was all about, and I can say that I understand it. I understand the hype, okay? Let's talk about some pros and some cons of this unit, okay? So a pro would be, I think the hairline is really, really good. I tried to melt it as best as I could, you guys. I used my Got To Be hold-in spray. I just sprayed right here where the parting was. I love the fact that it's a side part, you guys, because I feel like I'm a side part type of girl. So the side part is giving me all types of life, okay? I love the color. The color is so rich and gorgeous. I love the fact that it came with an elastic band. I love the fact that it is, it had baby hairs included. So it wasn't that hard for me to kind of swoop-de-doop, swoop-de-doop. The baby hairs. Yeah, those are the things I really liked about the hair. Now, what I did not like, honestly, was the, and I don't know if it's me, I can't tell you necessarily if it's big head friendly. I use the elastic band and it's pretty snug on, and I have a small head, so it may not be big head friendly. I'm not sure about that. I do want to say that the lace, it was a lot of lace around the ear tabs. It was a little bit too much lace around the ear tabs. I had to end up cutting some of the ear tabs off, which made me cut a lot of the hair off, which made my hair shed a little bit, which is to be expected if you're cutting, you know, a lot of the lace off and some of the hair is going to shed. I understand that. And so I didn't like how long it came on my ears, you know what I mean? I'm so used to coming, like, you see how it's flapping right here? You see? I'm not gonna fix that because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just staying home, okay? So I'm just gonna hide it. And it's also flapping. You see right here, it's flapping? It's flapping on that side as well. Yeah, I don't like the fact that the lace was literally like past my ear. It was just very, it was very awkward for me to cut because I didn't know what was going on here. And so I really did not like that. All right, and so does it tangle? Right now it's not tangling for the most part. Running my fingers through it, it's really not tangling, but it is a synthetic unit, you guys, so it will eventually tangle. And it's a long unit. It comes a little bit past my breast area, so it's pretty long. I'm not sure exactly the length, but yeah, I really like the color though. The color I think is gorgeous up against my skin. It's something a little different. I like the fact that it has a bit of dark roots and then the color comes out. I don't like colored units that are just straight colored, you know, or straight, you know, the color is there. I like it to have some type of gradient effect. So it was very easy to put on for the most part. I mean, the only thing was really cutting the lace, and I've cut a lot of lace, a lot of lace, and for some reason this took like longer than I had anticipated. You know, and it was because the lace was just so far down past my ears or something. It was weird. I was like, okay. But other than that, I would really recommend it for that natural hairline, you know, and I think the hairline pretty much is melted. I did add foundation powder underneath a little bit. I didn't add anything above. I think it's okay. I think I can get away with it. I think I can walk outside, you know. I have the wind blowing though. I cannot have the wind blowing because my secret will be told, okay? I cannot have the wind blowing, but I can at least go outside, I feel, you know. And so this is really, really super duper cute. All right, so if you have any questions about this unit, all right, please let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you are not part of my family, and I will see you in another video. Okay, take care. Bye.
cause I'm wheezy, wheezy, wheezy. Ah, she feeling me cause I'm wheezy, wheezy, wheezy. Ah, she feeling me cause I'm wheezy, ah yeah, wheezy, wheezy. Yeah, she feeling me cause I'm wheezy.